Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest tech reviews. Today, we have an exciting mid-range motherboard to talk about, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you don't miss any of our tech updates. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe is built around Intel's Z790 chipset and priced at $254.99 on Gigabyte's online shop. This ATX-sized board offers an array of features that make it stand out in the mid-range Intel LGA1700 market. Let's dive into the details. The Aorus Elite Axe boasts a 19-phase power setup with 70 ASPS MOSFETs, providing a robust power delivery system to handle Intel's latest 12th and 13th Gen CPUs, even for overclocking. With 4 M.2 sockets, 6 SATA ports, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E networking, it has plenty to offer for your new system. The motherboard features a stylish design with a matte black finish and brushed aluminum heatsinks. The RGB lighting hidden beneath the chipset heatsink adds a touch of flair to your setup. Overall, I must say, I love Gigabyte's style. In terms of memory support, the Aorus Elite Axe allows you to use both DDR4 and DDR5 RAM. For those seeking the best performance, it supports DDR5 speeds up to 7,600 MHz, giving you plenty of options to match your needs. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The motherboard comes with 10 USB ports, including a 20 gigabits per second Type-C port, two 10 gigabits per second ports, three 5 gigabits per second ports, and 4 USB 2.0 ports at the rear. There are also DisplayPort and HDMI video outputs, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and Wi-Fi antennas. Gigabyte's UEFI BIOS is user-friendly and provides a host of options for overclocking and customization. The Gigabyte Control Center software allows you to fine-tune RGB lighting, fan control, and performance settings. To wrap it up, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe is an excellent mid-range motherboard that performs well and looks fantastic on your test bench. If you don't require a PCIe 5.0 capable M.2 socket, this motherboard is an excellent option for your new Intel LGA1700 build. Thanks for tuning in to today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss out on more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Thanks for tuning in to today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss out on more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.